So there we are ready to serve. There we have it. Welcome or welcome back to Trina's Motivation. So there we have our mangoes for our juice today. Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, nourishing and refreshing juice with mangoes and carrots. So it's mango carrots juice. So here we already have two carrots. I'm going to cut them in smaller strips like this. Use any sugar, we just want to make it refreshing. You can always add sugar if you wish. And I already have the mangoes already prepared, and we need some ginger. We're also cutting the ginger in smaller strips as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you, this is how my mangoes are stored. I cut them smaller strips and store them in the freezer. When I'm ready, I just take a parcel and I go. So we already have one that is already defrosted. So all we're going to do, we're going to pour everything into our NutriBullet. Here we have that. Add our water, just a small amount. You don't want to add too much water since you're not going to add any sugar. And we will be ready to blend. Once you're done with that, you're going to strain it because you don't want the little things to, you want to make sure it's clean and cool. Look at this. Ready to drink right away. Just the same, but I decided that I wouldn't want it this way. Alright, so there we have it. I'm going to pour it in. See, it's not very thick and it's not too thin. And then we're going to allow this to strain. You can use your spoon to assist. Alright, so now that I'm done, this is what is left. This is our juice. Nice and ready. Here we have it. Let me take it up closer. Are we ready to drink? So there we are ready to serve. Here we have it. And we are ready. You can put it to cool or you can drink it as is. So there we go, our mango carrot refreshing juice to be served.